quick. Graph y equals the opposite of x cubed by hand 2 different ways. This is part of the family of functions series. You will need graph paper, or you can download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime during this video. The first way we're going to graph it is using what I call the cubic dance. Recall that the graph of a function and its opposite are reflections or mirror images about the x-axis. That means they have the same x-coordinates, but the y-coordinates are opposites of each other. We're going to begin with the origin. The origin is on the graph because the opposite of 0 cubed is 0. So 0, 0 is there. Instead of right 1 up 1, it's going to be right 1 down 1 because the opposite of 1 cubed is negative 1. The opposite of 2 cubed is negative 8. Left 1 up 1, the opposite of the quantity negative 1 cubed is 1. And left 2 up 8. Connecting the points, we get y equals the opposite of x cubed. Comparing that to the parent function y equals x cubed, you can see that the graphs are reflections about the x-axis. The second way is using a table. We'll begin with these 5 ordered pairs on the traditional y equals x cubed. And using those same x values, we're going to take the opposite of each of the y coordinates. So 8 goes to negative 8. And we're going to go ahead and plot 2 comma negative 8. 1 goes to negative 1, so we'll plot 1 comma negative 1. The origin stays where it is. The opposite of negative 1 is positive 1, so negative 1 up 1. And the opposite of negative 8 is positive 8, so negative 2, positive 8. Connecting the points, again, we get y equals the opposite of x cubed. Comparing that to the parent function, you can see again that the graphs are reflections about the x-axis.